Right now, I am in Cairo, Egypt. I'm the other side of the world, and I have a family called the Serti fam. The Serti fam movement is real. Look at this. All the way in Cairo. I cannot believe it.
Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this.
My God. You know what I'm doing today? I want to be riding on top of the pyramid.
No. Oh, what the fuck? You can't get stuck? You're fucking doing it. No, you're kidding.
I am going.
No one is
in this video right now.
No one is allowed to ever. You need like a permit to go. Yeah. You can't even like climb the third rock, bro.
I'm doing it. I don't take L's, bro. I do what I want to do when I want to do it. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage that I put in this morning. It was absolutely sick. David's still in the hotel room asleep. He didn't even wake up. But it's going to be a mad day. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Feels so good.
Thank you. Let's get the day started. I'm gonna go this way. Oh my God, that was insane. Look at these guys shooting with a gun. My guy, you wanna see a trick? I'll show you a trick. Huh? No, it's cool. I'll show you a trick. Watch. It's a bar spin.
Feels so good.
My guy, have a good day, man.
Feels so good.
Woo! This is insane. My man, how you doing? 35 on now. My guy, what are you saying? Say hello to the Serti fam. This place is sick.
Feels so good.
My man, how you doing?
Feels so good.
I'm riding. Yeah, let's go. Hey, there is no stopping anybody on this roundabout. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, look at this spot. Sorry, boss. Whoa, this spot is dope. Okay. Right then. Guys, so I got something special planned today. Woo! As you can tell from the title of this video, as you can see from the thumbnail, you know what's about to go down. I know you think I'm crazy. I am crazy. Whoa! It is crazy. Serti fam. My God, what are you saying? You good, yeah? Obviously, you know the Serti fam. If we say we're going to do something, we're going to do it. Today, I'm going to ride a BMX bike on a pyramid. I'm going to the pyramids today with the bike. Today, yes. Dad? My man. Oh, you want to see a trick? Okay, I'll show you. I'll do one real quick. I'm going to do a little bar spin. You ready? Sorry, boss. Wow! Getting hectic. My man, thank you. Woo. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Just this way. Just this way.
This close.
Yeah.
يا حبيبي انا جاي مره جاي
I'm going up and you're getting on my drone straight, so just snap what you can, bro. Okay? Okay, guys, we have just sent it. We are going up the pyramid right now. You good, G? Yo, G. You need to dip. Be quick, bro. Oh my god, guys, look at this. This is insane. Absolutely insane. Yo, come on. Dip, down. Don't know what the reaction's gonna be, bro. Okay, guys, there is security down the bottom. There are 2 people. We have no idea what's about to go down. Okay, we're coming. With the bike, this would be gnarly, man. We ain't gonna get to come back now, you know. No way. Yo, this is sketchy. So for your information, we just climbed the fucking pyramid in Egypt. We don't know what's about to happen when we get down. Oh my god. There is guards waiting down there.